So, long time no see, and well, the reason is that, as you can see, the whole thing is a big mess. My control box is totally pulled apart. It's not because I not like my DDCS, it's because I want to use that in another project. That's a winter project where I want to build a small mill for aluminium production. But that's for a winter project. So another thing is I have also started built me a new workshop. My garage is being rebuilt, and I've been working for that for the last week in between work, so that's why it has been very silent from my side. Some key things that I want to change here on the CNC, I already did it. I will have magnetic end stops and home switches, and this will be on the X and the Y axis. The only place I not do it is on the Z axis, because it will take quite a lot of the height of the work. So, and here anyway, it's not necessary that it becomes so accurate here than it does on these two axes. So why did I switch to this? Well, I had some problems when I it home, and it could deviate some few millimeters. So the mechanical switches were not accurate enough. So that's why I switched to these switches. As you can see, my DDCS has been taken away, and it does not really look nice. I will build a new box. This box will not be the one that I will use on my new project or my new workshop, but I have bought this CNC X Pro version 5. And I already did try it out, and I have to say that my y-axis, because so on the y-axis with the X Pro, it is possible to run each stepper motor on each stepper driver, and this has increased my speed enormously. So before I could be on 1500 millimeters per minute, now it's running 4000 millimeters per minute. So it's an enormous good improvement. Before I dismount the whole CNC, all my wires will be marked and come with a connector. So I just can disconnect everything and then have it moved. So let's go take a look on the workshop as well, and yeah, we go there. So you see this wall there is new. I added this to the garage, which was open, and well, it's and welcome to the new workshop. It's absolutely not finished. I'm still building. I have made the most of the floor. On this side, which you not can see yet, will be where my 3D printers will be. I will show you in a minute, and CNC machine, and also there will be a floor, not as waggly as this one, but more stable. Over here to the right, I have my workbench. It's 3.5 meters long, and it's still also not done yet. There will be a soldering station here with a power out for different amps, and the rest here will be a kind of yeah, assembly, whatever. This machine will go into this room. To the left, I have my miter saw, and it's made like this because I can open the door and I can have quite long material. If it's very, very long, I just open the door and it can go outside, and from here I can go 4 meters in this direction. So this will work. Yeah, what more to say? It will be winter isolated. I still not done that. I still need to do the roof, most important. The floor is done. I locked an old door here, and it's also isolated already. The walls, when the house was built, is already isolated, so nothing more to do there. I have my bandsaw. When I'm done with everything, I will build also a workstation here, and 1 by 1 meter on wheels in the same height as the workbench. This means if I need to cut something, if I need to do something, I can also slide it over here. It gives me 60 centimeters more wide to work at, so that's the whole point. Now let's switch to the other way. The floor here is not finished. I have add some stuff so it is, how should I say, become leveled. Here will my 3D printers come. There will be 2 3D printers. One is my huge duplicator D9, 500 by 500 millimeters by 500 in height, will be here. I'm not decided yet if it will be my Ender 2 or my artillery. My artillery is my to-go printer and is, matter of fact, in my office, so when I do something else I can print out at the same time it's looking here. Then I'm not sure if I will use my SLA printer. If I do, I will put it here. I think I will sell it, but my cure station I will keep, because this means I can also cure the PLA. Instead of laying in the sun, I can just use my cure station and have it there. The SLA printer, it's not like, I think it's too much planning for me, and I really want it to be fast here. Below here will be, and this will be locked off, isolated, the front here with doors. And there's my compressor, which delivers. It's from before very silent, but I want it locked off so it's not making so much noise in the workshop. It's not working all the time. It's quite a nice compressor, and it will pull out compressed air here. Plus there will be a section over here to the CNC with water. What you call it? A water deselector or whatever, and all this will be operated below the table of the 3D printers. On the other side, exactly here, will be my 1 by 1 meter CNC. My Wolfman will be over here, and you saw the control box. The new control box will be probably below, I don't know yet, or I will hang it up here. This requires a computer, so it will be a screen here that is movable. It will also contain a computer here, and I will not have too much keyboards. Maybe I built my own kind of keyboard, I don't know yet. I will use Openbuild's open control for this. It's absolutely best, especially the macros. I really like the macro section a lot, and also the key definition makes it easy to build your own kind of interface. But that's also winter projects. These tables will move out. Here will be one of my winter projects. It will be the CNC machine for aluminium. It will not be a big machine. It will be a machine working in this size here, maybe 40 by 40 centimeters. And this will be at this wall. Yeah, not more to say. That's how the workshop will be. And yeah, I'm excited. I hope I get it finished before the summer is over, if not too much work. So yeah, see you hopefully soon again, and when everything is produced and in good order. Bye bye.